Hey, Diva. What? What? You want to know if Dog Liberator has had anybody check on you on their website? Well, I don't know. Do you want to check on the internet? Here, come get in the chair. Come get up here in the chair. Come. 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 Come, let's check. Let's check. You want to check over here? Come here. Come here. Come here. Let's look over here. Come here. Come here, girl. Come here. All right. Come here. You want the mouse? You want the mouse? Come here. Here. Here's the mouse. Here's the mouse. Okay, you click on the page. Oh, atta girl. Atta girl. Let's see. There's Dog Liberator. And look, I do believe that you are on there, sweetie. Let's see if you've had any response. Okay? You want me to check? You want me to check and see? Okay, alright. There have been people to check in, but nobody to adopt you yet, girl. Can you believe that? Can you believe nobody has adopted you yet? Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. And you're so smart. And so sweet. I know it. I know it. Oh, does it make you sad there? Well, somebody's going to check on you. We'll check every day. Okay? All right.